Hey, if you wonder if you can actually record calls on the OnePlus Nord CE for Lite 5G, then I can quickly show you. So when you actually start searching right here between all of these default apps, you will be not able to find calls recorder or call recorder. You can find the simple sound recording, but it doesn't actually work when you start phone call. When you start recording sounds before the phone call, it's also not working, because once you actually when you are actually on the phone call, it automatically stops this sound recording. So you can, for example, download some apps from the Google Play Store, but it's actually not the safe way, because someone actually got access to your data. So that there's some kind of the third-party apps, but I wouldn't recommend you to use them. But if you want, you can do this on your own risk. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.